Hello everyone, this is Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 6. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this gear with laptop via Bluetooth. If you look on the soundbar, you will see a blue light for Bluetooth highlighting. This is also connected via Bravia Connect app. Once you see the soundbar on, select the input to go to Bluetooth, then download Sony Bravia Connect app. This is the app on my mobile phone. The features on the remote control is also what is available on the app. So once you select the input as Bluetooth, if you want to connect it with HDMI or optical, then you need to select input as TV, or you use your remote control to select input to Bluetooth. So once you select input to Bluetooth, a blue light will be highlighting to Bluetooth. Then go to your laptop settings, select laptop start, go to the settings, then select Bluetooth and devices, switch Bluetooth on. So the Bluetooth is on, you will see a blue color, add a device. Then select Bluetooth. It's now searching for available Bluetooth device. Show all device, Bravia Theatre Bar 6 audio. Select on it. It's connecting. Your device is ready to go. So Bravia Theatre is connected. Then you select done. So the laptop and the soundbar both are connected together. We're going to test the audio using Orbit Sound. And also it will show you that it's connected with laptop. Showing us Bluetooth and laptop is connected with. So guys, this gear deserves your attention. This is the remote control, and also we connected this using Sony Bravia Connect app. From the app, you can also select the input. We connected this gear and laptop via Bluetooth, and also it will show you the laptop name. If you want to connect it to TV, you need to select the input. So when you select the input, it gives you option for you to select TV. To connect it via optical or HDMI, you need to select TV. This is the remote control. From the remote control, you can also select input or switch the soundbar on and off. Select sound field. Select voice. Plus is for you to increase the volume. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus on the bars is for you to increase the bars. The minus on the bars is for you to decrease the bars. This button is mute. And also you have night mode. With the soundbar in the night mode, volume or the sound is reduced. So this is the information I thought to share with you, and this is how to hook this up to your laptop via Bluetooth. This gear deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.